As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin yesterday, it reached till down here 78k. Today it recovered, now we closing 84k. Now what the view based on that pin bar will happen here, as you see it here, and it happened in a very strong level in the 200 moving average. So we tell it to you from here, we told you we are going to fall down to 81k. Yes, it dumped more to 78k, but it recovered very quickly. Also we catching the short, and today we open a long from here. Yes, we are not a nice profit, but we aiming for it to come back again. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yes my friend, you watching me now, I know you haven't smashed that like button, so please my friend, go now and smash the like button and write with it a comment. Tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking, did we bottom or no, did the Bitcoin from here is going to reverse or no? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you want our daily signals, you can join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter a short, as you see it guys here, making very nice profit. Look at the margin here, available only $281. It make very nice money from it. We got other boys here or guys here, they're making very nice money here, as you see it here, that the earnings of them, and me that short in the Bitcoin, as you see it here, that the earnings of it guys. We take very nice money from it, from the short of the Sol and the short of the Bitcoin. Me personally I think about 11k, and from the short of the Sol I took only $1,000, but look at the margin guys, look here, $41 and only $281. So if you want this type of signals and you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. Because we don't enter here with high or big order size. No guys, look at it here, look at the margin here available. I'm not telling you join us with $100 and you're going to make those results. No my friend, with $100 you will not make those results, and with $100 you're going to get liquidated. $100 if you join us, you're aiming to earn 1%, 2%. Yes, you can, but if you aim in $100 to turn it to 1 million, it will not work for you. So to join us, you need some capital, my friend. So if you want to join us, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video, and in the first comment, you click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that candle here, it came in a very nice level, and if you remember and you watching yesterday video, what else we told you? We told you we started bouncing. That meant that falling knife, it touched the soil and started bouncing like that. That's what's happening here guys. As you see it here, it started bouncing. Should you buy now for long term? Why not? Also yesterday with DCA from here, we buy some Bitcoin for long term, no leverage, no nothing. We buy just a certain percentage from our account. Even if it dump more, we will still have cash. Even if you got only $100, you will buy from here and you're going to left with some cash. That's the way of us, and we're going to tell you the right time. When is it the right time to sell it? Yes, because us we're thinking the Bitcoin is going to come back again to 94k or 93k. That's my view personally guys. Now guys, here in daily, look with me here what I'm going to show you. You see it here? What is it that? A down channel guys. We touch the lower of it here. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to come back above to that 94k here, and from here is going to dump again. That's my view personally guys, because the Bitcoin those days is too expensive for retails, and retails they don't want to push it higher. That way me I'm thinking maybe we're going to come back above to 94k or something, then from there we're going to dump again. That's my view. We got another thing here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. That one here guys, you see that pin bar where it happened? It happened in a very nice and stronger 200 moving average. The view of me, as I told you, we are going to come back to touch the 20 moving average or here, because if you're looking with me here, the 50 moving average is crossing below the 100 moving average, guys. So that one, it's not nice looking. The things, it's looking ugly here. And as also been teaching you now, the Bitcoin is going to apply between those moving averages till it's break one of them, either above or down here. And also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything to you here. We don't need to make the video too long. We got another thing here in daily. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You remember last Saturday, like today, when you're watching that video, also we're making that two levels once a week. As you see it, we put the top 112 and the lower we said 88k. Bitcoin today, he closed below 88k. That meant those people they selling options here, they be liquidated today. That's a part of the game, guys. They lose once. They are not going to win every time. But also we predicted when the Bitcoin used to be here, we told you there is either a dump or a pump here, and it's not going to break 112 and it's not going to break 88k. It's break it actually to reach till 78k, but it recover very quickly. Now for that week, we need to make even levels for that week. Let's go into that page where we're getting those levels, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Next Friday is going to be 7 of month 3, 2025. I want here, so let's try to find the levels for pots and for calls. Also, we talking here about Bitcoin options, guys. You need to be focused with me. So let's go in there to see those things together. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here at 75k. The number of pots here, 1.48k Bitcoin. The total volume here, 124 million. The number of calls are 0 here, so that one is our first level, 75k. Now let's find it for calls. For calls, guys, as you see it, we found a level very far away, 104k. Number of pots 0, the number of calls 22 Bitcoin, the number of the volume there, 1.86 million dollars. So those ones the levels, 75k and 104k. So let's go in now to the chart to drawing those levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level here, 104k like that, and the down level like that, 74k. So those ones the levels, guys. The view of those people, the Bitcoin maybe is going to dump, but it will not pass 74k, and even is going to pump again, but will not pass 104k. And that's what also we told you. We told you the view of me, the Bitcoin is going to come back to touch that down channel. Also we just show you here, that one going to come back to touch it here. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. Those ones the levels of Bitcoin options as you see them in front of you, 104k and 74k. So those was the levels. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin today tried to recover here, but there is no volume, no one is buying. That's the bad thing, guys. Let's see if it's going to pump again, or from here going to dump again like how it's happened here. Even here it's happened the same thing, because if we're looking here at those moving averages, they're telling us the Bitcoin is still dumping, guys, but everything is possible. Now as we waiting Donald Trump, if he's going to say something very good about Bitcoin, like a Bitcoin reserve for USA or big whales that we started buying, that can change the market sentiment at this time. Even retail traders, they don't buy in, and that's the big dilemma for Bitcoin those days. So that's my view. Now the Bitcoin people there with me also we buy from that level where we are now, and we're aiming for it to come back as I just show you now in daily, 93k till 94k. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. But if you enter only that low here, 91k, try to start book some of the profit and you move stop loss to entry point. That's how you need to do it. But if you enter by leverage, you need to move stop loss or to put stop loss, my friend. Levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. Levels, we told you those levels. There is nothing new. We told you 8565, that level where we are, 85093. That one here, 9808. And we got another level down here 76, 262. So those was the levels, guys. As you see them, I will repeat it again. 90, 808. That one here, 85, 093. That one here, 80, 565. And we got another one down here, 76, 262. So those was the levels. You need to look close at them the coming days, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here the Ethereum, you remember what else we used to tell you? We used to tell you guys also we are going to fall down again to that low here. Me Ethereum now, I'm not going to buy it for long term, and I'll give you my reasons why. I told you for Ethereum it's look very bad. Me I analyze it only for some people, they follow me about that. But Ethereum, I need more things to come for me to buy it, because as majority of people in X, they said Ethereum is going to the home, and even that CEO of it, he will follow it because it's too much manipulation in the Ethereum and no one want to invest in it. That way Ethereum is keep on falling down. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now we got here that triangle here. We need a price action here for us to enter along to come back again. Now the Ethereum at this time, is it very cheap? If you want to invest in it and you want to take the risk, you can. Ethereum, it reached to that level as me being telling you 2100, and it reached to it today. Maybe it's going to fall down more. Me, I will be honest with you, if the Ethereum fall down to 1000, I will buy some, and me I still have some Ethereum. But is it like how we can say that, like you win lottery, it's free money? If it go back above, I will sell it. If it go to zero, I will sell it and I'm going to make money. Same thing now here. If it fall down below 1000 or closer to 1000, I'm going to buy. That's my view for Ethereum. We got another thing here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you guys. Is it that one here? The Ethereum gave us here a pin bar after it touching for us that 2100 level, as us we been telling you before, and we tell it to you guys. We told you, look at the Ethereum, it's a very sharp downtrend here. Even those moving averages, they telling you the Ethereum is still in a downtrend. Now imagine the 100 going to cross below the 200. That way me I told you the Ethereum for me $1000 below 1000, I'm going to buy some. That's my view personally. Maybe we're going to see some corrections, but Ethereum fundamental, it's look very weak. That way me now I don't advise to invest in the Ethereum. That's my view, guys. Follow it, don't, is up to you. Now let's go into see our indicator. What it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch again extreme oversold area. Maybe the Ethereum is going to make a smaller correction, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Me the Ethereum, even here in that channel, I'm going to change it with the Sol, because Ethereum, me personally, I don't believe in it anymore. I'm going to change it with Solana. So in the next videos, you're going to find here, instead of Ethereum, we're going to find Solana. We're going to start analyzing the Sol in the place of the Ethereum, guys, because Ethereum, I don't believe in it anymore. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in 4 hours, Bitcoin tried to give you here a price action as you see it. You remember what me I showed you in yesterday? I told you that one here. We got here a megaphone. That megaphone, guys, as you see it getting broke here. That way also we enter. It's not getting broke here in 4 hours. It's getting broke for us in smaller time frames. That way also we enter. Now here you, if you miss that megaphone, you can come and do something like that. You see the downtrend here. Even that one is getting broke here. That way also we aim for it to come back again. You, if you miss all those ones and you came very late, you came here to that last high here and you waited if the Bitcoin going to break here and to give you here a double bottom to push the Bitcoin again to the top here, as us we just tell you guys 93k or 94k. Follow it, don't, is up to you, my friend, but me I share with you my view. If you want me to tell you exactly when to enter, I told you what to do, and it's not expensive. It's only 25 bucks, and believe me, that 25 bucks when you're going to enter inside our VIP Discord, it doesn't worth nothing. Believe me, the community which is inside, you're going to communicate it with very professional traders. You're going to communicate it with me. You got problems, everything we solve it for you. We're going to teach you how to make risk management, a lot of things. So 25 bucks is nothing, but it's up to you, my friend. We got another thing here in Bitcoin, guys, in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, look at it, guys. We got here the 20 moving average and we touched it a lot of times here. At this time, we're also recording that video here in 4 hours. It's looked bad, guys. You see it here. We're still in a downtrend here, but also we're aiming the Bitcoin to break the 20 moving average and to go back to touch for us that 50 moving average, which is exactly at 90k. But if it show us here very weak, there is no power to break it, and we got here a price action. Why not to short it again? Look how it happened here in a lot of places. So also we're still waiting, and also we know 20 moving average is not that stronger moving average. So we're hoping it's going to be broke and the Bitcoin is going to come back again. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we got here a small divergence here, as you see it here. That's where also we aiming and we enter that long. Now let's see if it's going to pump again. And as I just told you, that low here, 91k, 93k, that's the place where you need to book some of the profit. You don't know how to do those things, you can join our VIP Discord. Based on our indicator, also we still all in a bear market, but if we go into lower time frames, also we enter to a bull market. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here, I will be honest with you guys. Here will never enter along. Here, exactly. But me at that time, I've been sleeping. So it happened here exactly at noon. So me I've been sleeping that time. The Bitcoin pump again till here. Also, we waiting here a correction. It happened here. We enter along. At this time, also we still holding our long. The Bitcoin still fighting in that zone here. You see it, guys? That zone here, look at it. How many times it touched it. That the first, that the second, now we're touching it. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to break it and it's going to give us here like that big head and shoulder, guys. You see it here. That's a head and shoulder here in 30 minutes. And if it's breaking here, that's mean more pump, as I just told you, to 93k. Me personally would have enter from here and push it more higher, but it's okay, we miss it and we're going to catch more move. That way also we're telling you guys if you want exactly when also we enter, because now if you're looking with me here, we got a flag, guys. That's a bullish flag here, as you see it here. If you go to 5 minutes, it's going to be very clear. And if it's breaking here, that's a continuation pattern indicating Bitcoin is going to move more higher. But also we enter, sometimes we're going to be right, sometimes we're going to be wrong. Also we're using stop loss and we put in our stop loss here. If it pump again, fair enough. If it dump from here, we're going to close it and we're going to reverse it. That's what also we're doing, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, you remember that divergence also we show you here and we show you everything about it, but people they don't want to listen. What you want me to do to you? People they want me to put videos and told them you need to enter now. That's impossible because you're going to see that video late, my friend. That's a very clear divergence here, guys, as you see it. Now the Bitcoin gave us here a price action, and that's why also we thinking it's going to come back more higher. The downtrend also you show you here. You remember that downtrend is getting broke here, and look at it, guys. Now it's need to break for us just that high here, the 20 moving average in 4 hours, and we're going to go more higher. That's what also we're doing, guys, every time. If you want to benefit from our signals, we told you what to do, and believe me, that 25 bucks you're going to pay, you're going to back it within the first signal you're going to catch with us. But it's up to you, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys, and please, my friend, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.